Oh my god, I just needed to vent. Oh my god, I just need to like get this out off my chest. Struggling right now, dealing with clients. Look, I got the shabby hair going on. Haven't gotten ready. Doing the COVID stash. Been playing with a couple different things. I don't know. I like it and I hate it all at the same time. Got some new posters going up. Got whatever it takes over there. Success is my duty, obligation, responsibility. And got some 10x going on over there. So I'm dealing with clients, trying to finish up projects. One guy was getting beat up all week. I got one guy that is telling me he doesn't like my design. He was giving me direction on the design. And then he's telling me he doesn't like it and he's upset with me and my design. I'm just like, dude, I was just going off your direction. So I don't know. But we're working it out. He kind of took over on the design in ClickFunnels, and then what I'm doing is just setting everything up, doing all setting up his webinar, make sure everything's connected the proper way, and basically setting up his account for the first time because he didn't have his domain set up correctly and his email integration and also follow-up funnels. So we're working out a contract that way. Still doing work for him. So trying to finish that up. And I got another guy, another repeat client, who I'm just working with him for a quick landing page and thank you page, upsell page, which is basically a thank you page where you just try to offer them something else while you have their attention. So got that going. There's so many things I have to do for my business. Like I have 5 huge things on my list right now. So I still have to find a designer for my Facebook covers, Facebook page covers. Complete my ManyChat, which I just hired some help for that, which was good. But then at the same time, it's like there's so many things that I have to do myself in there that it's just hard to communicate with the person. Which would be great if you had like if I had a secretary where I could just communicate to the secretary and they can get that stuff done. Um, the next thing I would have to do, I want to develop 2 home pages, one for Nick Newsom and then one for NGN Home Improvements. I mean not Home Improvement, that's the old one. NGN Lead Gen. That's my new brand. Um, yeah, got the logo order for that new brand, and I just hit level 1 on Fiverr, so I'm a level 1 seller now, which is pretty cool. So hopefully that'll get me some more gigs. It'll help get me some more gigs that way. But that's it. I got so much stuff to do. I have so much on the board, so many projects. Just gotta go, go, go all day. Create income, increase that income. That is the name of the game. All right. Hope you're doing good out there. Just wanted to vent. Thank you for listening. Thanks for letting me get that off my chest. Peace.